बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is male 30 years age patient, complaint of gradual weakness in the both lower limbs, decreased sensitivity and sensation, and also difficulty in the defecation and micturition. Here this is a typical exam case which I am going to show you, and the examiner always show the student such type of cases. Here we can appreciate that this is the lumbosacral region, so MRI of the lumbosacral spine, sagittal images. This is MRI lumbosacral spine, sagittal images, and this is the T2 weighted images because the CSF is white here, and this one is the T1 weighted images, CSF is black. So here we can see that this spinal canal is dilated. We can clearly observe on T1 and T2 weighted images. Here this is the clearly the widening of the spinal canal on T1 and T2 images. So it is a dural ectasia is present, which is causing, here we can see that scalping of the, this is causing scalping of the posterior aspect of vertebral body, here and here, to cause the scalping of the body. And if we closely observe this is the spinal cord which is coming downward, and this is the conus, this one, here we can appreciate here this one. So this is at the level of third and fourth vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae. So the spinal cord is low lying. So two findings we have seen. One is the dural ectasia and other is the low lying cord. And if we closely observe, if we go downward and downward, we can see at the level of sacral 1 and 2nd vertebrae, this is the filum terminale, and there is also a lesion at the region of the filum terminate. This is the T2 vertebra, so it has intermediate signal at the T2 weighted images, and it has high intensity signal on the T1 weighted images. So this is likely the lipoma. This is the fatty tissue which has signal intensity. On T2 weightage it is intermediate, and on the T1 it is high. So this is the filum terminale lipoma. So we can say that this is the case of, in the examination we can say that on the basis of finding, this is the case of tethered cord syndrome associated with low lying spinal cord, filum terminale lipoma, dural ectasia, and also I have seen the CT axial images which is not present here. There was also spina bifida at the level of sacral region. So this is the typical case. They will show you the sagittal images, axial images, and So this is, I have placed the axial images and they will place the axial images, and then they can ask what are the findings. So we will tell all these findings, and here also we can see that the urinary bladder is dilated, trabeculated, thick-walled, and so the neurogenic bladder, this is the neurogenic bladder. The cause of neurogenic bladder is spina tethered cord syndrome associated with spina bifida, low-lying cord, phylum terminal, lipoma, and duralactasia. This was the interesting case and exam case, so I like to share you people. Thank you very much.